Hi everyone, I'm Claudia from Claudia's Fusion Cuisine. Today we are going to do a delicious salmon with pesto. I hope you're gonna like it. Let's do it. For this recipe we need the following ingredients. 2 pieces of salmon. I personally do not like reheated fish, so I'm gonna use only 2 pieces. We need 3 teaspoons of pesto. For 2 pieces I'm gonna use about 10-12 grape tomatoes, the juice of 1 lime, 1 big garlic clove smashed, some olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. In a mixing bowl we add the pesto, half of the lime juice, the smashed garlic, a little bit of salt, we mix everything together, and some pepper. I also like to add some garlic powder. If you don't want to add it, it's fine. And we set it aside and we prepare our fish. Add some salt, just a little bit, some pepper, drizzle some olive oil on top of the fish, not too much, and you can add the rest of the lime juice on top of the fish. I'm usually keeping a little bit for the end. We add the pesto sauce on top of the fish. And we put the cherry tomatoes on top. Please remember that if you cook for more people or if you cook more pieces of salmon, you will need to double or triple the ingredients. Add a little bit of salt on top of the tomatoes. You can eat it with any side dish you want. I'm usually eating it with some asparagus and mashed potatoes. Add some pepper on the asparagus. A little bit of salt. And if needed, you can add a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna add a little bit. Don't forget that the pesto already has enough oil. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and bake your salmon for about 10-15 minutes. If the slices are thin like mine, 15 minutes should be enough. If they are a little bit thicker, you can add 2-3 more minutes. Our salmon is ready. It smells delicious. I hope you'll like it and I hope you'll try it. Thank you for watching. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe.